Wonderful high-achieving student, taken AP Honors IB classes, has achieved an outstanding academic GPA of 4.47. She's involved in so much on campus. Previous years, she was a member of ASB. She's a club president, Fellowship of Christian Athletics, very involved in clubs. Link Crew mentor, 4-year member of cheer, and is a captain on cheer. And that role is sort of where I have witnessed just truly remarkable leadership this year. So there was a moment this year on campus where we were just having some issues with cheer and in the program overall, not really the students necessarily. And we had a meeting with the team and we were sort of struggling with this and really at a crossroads and having discussions about it. And I think there was this point where Olivia just sort of stepped forward and demonstrated such remarkable leadership and such mature and nuanced ability to speak up for not only herself but her teammates, and just sort of speaking up and stepping forward and saying, this is what I think is right, and this is what I think needs to happen. And there was such strength and resolve and maturity in doing that, right? Because she was advocating for her teammates. She's a senior, so her time is limited on cheer, right? There wasn't, you know, in terms of her finishing a few months more, she was more so doing that for her teammates and for the future of what she thought was right. And really holding me accountable to doing what is right, not what is easy. And that was very much unique in that way. I do try to consider myself to be approachable, but I don't know, there's not too many students or teachers that would sort of step forward with that and really hold me to some level of accountability, but in a very kind and gracious way. And so I don't know that I've witnessed in my 21 years too many people stepping up and doing that. But she is not I wouldn't describe her as the loud type of leader, and that's okay. There's many different types of leaders, and so the impact that she had, not only for herself and her teammates, but the future of the program, I think is going to continue for years and years. So thank you, and congratulations, Olivia.